I spoke to Jimmy Green and Nelba Marquez Green, along with Tom Bittman, another Newtown parent who is co-founder of the Sandy Hook Promise. It's a national initiative being launched by some of the families today to protect families from violence. I began by asking them about their daughter, Anna.
She was full of life, full of love. She knew how to give the best hugs and the best kisses. And, you know, we look at her empty bed now and we're just overcome by the grief, and even a month out, it still hasn't lessened the shock, but we're bolstered by our faith in God, knowing where she is now, and we've had so much support and love and encouragement from family and friends.
And Anna would have loved that bow you're wearing in your hair today.
She would have. She was kind, she was loving, she was smart, and she was also a fashionista. She loved these gaudy flowers, so I'm wearing it for her today.
You know, you posted at Christmas on your Facebook page that you still sleep with her special blankets most nights in her bed. And you also promised to her that you do everything you can to make sure the kids everywhere are safe. And that's really what today is all about.
Yes, it is. We're hoping that through Sandy Hook Promise, we can bring awareness to issues and start a conversation based on love and respect.
Tom, you helped put this whole initiative together, the Sandy Hook Promise, which is going to be announced later this morning. Tell us exactly what you hope to achieve and how you're going to do it.
Often in events like this, people polarize. They say, you've got to change this, and I don't want to change that. And immediately, you've got two sides attacking each other. We want to talk to those people who want to have a conversation. We need a national conversation on what are the things that do need to change so that this doesn't happen again. We think it's holistic. We don't think it's one piece of legislation or one change. It's probably going to be a number of things.
Jimmy, what's the most important change you want to see?
There's several. I mean, I don't think it's wise to focus on one. Obviously, we need to make our schools, our streets, our malls, our public places safer. Obviously, there needs to be a greater discussion on mental health and access to it. And those are the main points of the conversation. But there's a lot that go into this, and so focusing on one or the other, I don't think will be as effective as, like Tom said, taking a more holistic approach.
You know, but I can see that Anna is so deeply on your mind right now. What's your best memory of her?
How passionate she was about loving God and loving people. And I hope that that can be the legacy that we leave, that love wins and that love will prevail in this.
We all share that hope. Thank you for coming in today.